Hello everyone, welcome to Code with Anurag, where you can find the latest job updates and complete placement preparation. So in this video, I'm going to explain why you should not send your TCS NQT exam questions screenshot in any Telegram channel. So without any further delay, let's get started. As you can see on this screen, this is the screenshot of TCS NQT exams question. So here you can see this is the unique code, and this unique code will be different for different candidates. So by using this unique code, teachers can easily track your profile, and if they find then you have sent this screenshot in any Telegram channel or anywhere if you have sent, then they will definitely ban you, and in future you will not able to join TCS, right? So in case if they don't find, then it's okay, but if they find, then you can't join TCS in future, right? So don't take any risk, right? Yeah, so this is just my suggestion. Yeah, and if you want to know what is the exam pattern of for upcoming TCS and QT exam, then don't worry, I have already uploaded a video. You can watch that video either by clicking on this I button, or you will find link of that video in the description box. So yeah, that's it from my side in this video. If you have any doubt, please feel free to ask in comment box. You can join our Telegram channel. I'll put a link in the description box. If you think this video is helpful, like this video, and you can subscribe this channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching this video.